Hello dear learners, a very warm welcome to this massive open online course of Mathematics Class 11 Part 2. Mathematics is all around us, though we may not realize it. It permeates all those areas of life that excite us. Clarity thought and pursuing conjunction to logical conclusion is central to mathematical enterprise. There are many ways of thinking, and the kind of thinking one learns in mathematics is an ability to handle abstractions. What mathematics offers is a way of doing things to handle and be able to solve mathematical problems and to have the right attitude for a problem in a systematic manner. To make the understanding of mathematics easier, this course has been introduced where you will get more familiar in dealing with numbers, graphs and mathematical operations. There are 9 units in this program. First is binomial theorem. In this, you will learn about binomial theorem, Pascal triangle, general and middle terms of binomial expansion. Second is sequence and series. The chapter will deal with the study of sequence which follow a specific pattern called progressions like arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean, geometric mean and the relationship between them. It will help us to predict, evaluate and monitor the outcome of the situation or event and help us out a lot in decision making in finance, medical field, etc. Third is straight lines. It will dive into the topics like slope of a line, various form of equation of lines, distance of point from a line, distance between parallel lines. Fourth is conic sections. In conic section, we will study about different kinds of curves like circle, ellipse, hyperbola and parabolas and their properties and application and various field like automobile headlights, designing of antennas and telescope, reflectors, etc. Fifth is introduction to three-dimensional geometry. This chapter will deal with 3D geometry. Here we make use of vector algebra to 3D geometry. Sixth is limit and derivatives. This chapter starts building your foundation on an important branch of mathematics, that is calculus, which has the scope not only in mathematics but also in other subjects. Seventh is mathematical reasoning. In this you will learn about statement, negation of statement, compound statement, quantifiers, implications, validating statement and many more such concepts. 8 is statistics. This chapter elaborates on basics of statistics and talk about topics like measure of dispersion, range, mean, deviation, standard deviation, etc. These concepts are used to design clinical trials, interpret research studies in business, in economy, etc. Ninth is probability. Here you will study about axiomatic approach of probability. The subject experts will interact with you during the journey through this course. Each module of the course will have feature like tags, videos, web links to know more about concept and other resources. To check your progress, self-assessment questions has also been given. Hope you will enjoy the course. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you.